In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily increase and decrease video volume in Canva. Whether you're preparing a presentation, creating content for social media, or working on a personal project, adjusting the audio levels is a crucial step to ensure your audience gets the best experience. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your Canva workspace. Here, you should see a panel with several options. What we're looking for first is the Uploads section. Go ahead and click on Uploads. This is where you'll be able to manage all the media files that you've brought into Canva, whether it's images, fonts, or for today's purpose, videos. Once you're in the Uploads section, the next step is to locate and click on the Videos tab. Clicking on this will filter your uploads, displaying only the video files that you have imported into Canva. This makes it much easier to find and work with the specific video you need. Now, with your videos in view, simply drag and drop the desired video into your Canva project page. This action will add the video directly onto the canvas where you can position it or resize it as needed according to your design. After your video is placed on the canvas, the next step is to select the video by clicking on it. This will activate the video settings and editing options in Canva, allowing you to make adjustments to your video. It's an intuitive setup that brings all the necessary tools into focus when and where you need them. Now, look towards the top of your Canva workspace to locate the volume icon, which appears as a small speaker symbol. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is the key to adjusting your video's audio levels, and you should see a slider appear that allows you to modify the volume. With the slider now visible, you can adjust your video's volume to suit your project's needs. Sliding it to the right will increase the volume, making the audio louder, while sliding it to the left will decrease the volume, making it softer. This feature allows you to set the perfect volume level, ensuring your audio is neither too overwhelming nor too faint for your audience. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully learned how to manage audio levels for your videos in Canva. This skill is incredibly useful for maintaining the quality and clarity of your project's audio, which is an essential part of delivering a professional final product. Thanks for watching and happy designing.